Let's see how to create a custom dictionary in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to create a custom dictionary where we can save words so that whenever we type in these words in Microsoft Word, they won't be flagged as wrong or detected as words that are not there in the English language or whatever language that you're using for Microsoft Word. And first, to create a custom dictionary, click on the File tab. Now click on Options, and here click on Proofing. And you should be able to find custom dictionaries right here when correcting spelling in Microsoft Office programs. Now click on that, and if you want to create a custom dictionary, simply click on New. Now add a file name. And you should be able to see your custom dictionary right here. And from here, you can now add words or edit the word list rather, where you can type in words here. For example, let's go ahead and just type in video, click on add, and that will automatically be added into our dictionary. And that is how you can create a custom dictionary in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.